I just want to talk about Loom. Loom is my new favorite remote learning app. It's a screen recording app that you can install on your laptop or on an iPad, on an iOS device. It's totally free. And what it does, it records your screen for students to watch your lesson. So check it out, have a look at the website. I just want to show you what it looks like when you install the desktop version. There's a little icon or option menu that appears at the top of your screen, and you have the option to record your screen and camera like I'm doing now. You have the option to record your screen only or yourself only as well. So there are three options there, and this is how the first one works, the screen and camera. You can do it when you're presenting a keynote or when you're presenting a PowerPoint and your face will appear at the bottom. You can also have your avatar as well, not just your face. So if you don't want yourself on camera, you can put an avatar. And you can play it at the same time as you're playing a keynote or a PowerPoint like this earlier keynote I created on animating the Earth. You can also play it in preview. This is a remote learning apps list I created earlier, and you can see that the window stays open. Now, once you've finished a video, it'll upload it to the website, so it's not creating space on your laptop, but it saves it onto Loom's site. And you can copy the link and share it with your students. Another cool thing is if you make a mistake, you can actually edit your video as well. Underneath there are some editing tools, the trim and other settings too, as well as editing the thumbnail. As you can see in the video here, I've got my own thumbnail in. So have a look at it, try it out. It's iPad and laptop available. It's very good for screen recording, screencasting, and sharing short videos with your students.